Hello and welcome. Today's grammar lesson is focused on the prepositions of time, in, on, and at. Let's learn about them by using them to fill up these gaps. Number 1, blank 6 a.m. When you're talking about clock time, this is clock time. We use at. That means at is used whenever you are referring to clock time. Okay? At 6 a.m. 2. Blank 2001. This is a year. When you're referring to a year, use in. In is used for a year. So you say in 2001. That's the correct preposition. 3. Blank Monday. Monday refers to a day. Whenever you're referring to the days of the week, we use on. So on is used for days. The correct preposition is on. On Monday. Blank noon. Noon refers to specific moment. Specific moment. So when you refer to specific moment, we use at. This is for specific moment. So at noon. 5. Blank the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday refers to a particular day. So for a day, we use on. On the day before yesterday. 6. Blank July 10th. July 10th refers to a date. When you're talking about date, we use on. That means the correct preposition is on July 10th. 7. Blank the 24th of next month. This is referring to a date too. Okay, 24th here shows that it is a date. So for date, just like this, we use on the 24th of next month. 8. Blank the early hours of today. This is talking about part of the day. Part of the day. When you're referring to part of the day, we use in. So this is part of the day. In other words, the preposition to be used here is in the early hours of today. Blank the morning. The morning refers to part of the day also. Part of the day. So when you refer to part of the day, what is the correct preposition? In the morning. 10. Blank wedding ceremony. We will leave this because today's lesson is on prepositions of time, and this is referring to place. So let's leave this for another lesson that focuses on prepositions of place. 11. Blank midnight. Midnight refers to exact time. Exact time. Whenever you refer to specific or exact time, use at. At. 12. Blank September. September is a month in the year. In September. Blank my teenage years. It refers to long period of time. Long period. So when referring to long period, preposition to use is in. For long period. For long period, we use in. In my teenage years. Example sentence. I ran very fast in my teenage years. I cooked very well in my teenage years. 14. Blank New Year Day. This is referring to a special day. This is referring to a special day. For special days, use on. On New Year Day. This is referring to a day. 15. Blank Christmas Day. This is a special day also. So for special day, we use on Christmas Day. Blank 2 hours. 2 hours refers to how long it takes to do something. So when you are referring to how long it takes to do something, make use of in. I wash plates in 2 hours. When referring to specific time in your sentence, you use at. We will discuss the matter at lunchtime. 19. Blank home. Sorry, this is for preposition of place. Our focus today is on preposition of time, so we are not going to answer this. And the last one, blank the late morning. Is it at the late morning, in the late morning, or on the late morning? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.